Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about the post, the media and the pages. So I have already logged into the admin panel of our website and let's visit post. Okay, right now there is a hello world post and you can also check our post on the index page of our website. Yeah, this is our post hello world. And the content of the hello world is welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, add it or delete it, then start blogging. And now this is the index page of our post and you can either click this add new or this add new to create a new post. And to edit a default post or to edit a post, all you need to do is hover your cursor to the post title and you will see that there are some settings like edit, quick edit, trash and view. So if you want to edit your any post, you can click edit and you will see that if you have more than one author on your website, you will see that this post is posted by the deals and review author in the category, the tags. You will see here the comment and the published date. So I'm going to just add it and show you. Alright, so this is the visual editor of our WordPress admin panel. Now you can put your title here. This is the hello world title, as you can see the title here, the content and the format. Like if you are posting the standard post, you can choose this one, the aside, image, video, audio, gato, link or the gallery. After that, the category, right now it's posted under uncategorized category. You can also click add new category and name the new category anything. I'm not going to create a new category right now. So and if you want to make this post visible to publicly, or if you want to edit this post, like if you want to create a private post for the registered user of your website, or if you want to create a password protected post, you can click this one and put your password here so anyone who have the password can see your post. So this is all for post, and I'm going to just, if you want to check out all the posts, you can click this all post and you will see all the posts here in the section. And this is the same thing as we did in comment. You can select all your posts and take the bulk action like edit or move to trash. So I'm going to delete this hello world post, move to trash, apply, and it is in the trash. So delete permanently. Okay, now there is no post on our website. Let me refresh this and we will get a no post found error or 404 error. Yeah. Let's go to media. You will see all the images you upload to your WordPress. You will see all the images here. So right now there is no image. Let me add some images and show you. Okay, now if you visit to library, you can see that all the images we uploaded on our website are here, and you can edit them or delete them or view them and also take the bulk action as well. So I'm going to delete all the images because we don't need any of images. Apply. Okay, and the next thing is pages. This is the same thing as the post, but a page is a static content of your website. The post is something that you change daily or weekly, but the pages are static pages. You just create them and they won't change. A page is a static property of WordPress, and posts are dynamic property. So the posts are change and the pages won't. So let's go to all pages, and by the default you can see that there is a sample page. You can also visit the sample page here, and you can see that this is a sample page of our WordPress website. I'm going to delete this page and create a About Us page, Contact Us page, and Privacy Policy. Let me delete the page permanently. Okay. You can add the page either by clicking this Add New or here the Add New. You can choose any, so I'm going to Add New, and I have already written the content like About Us page and the Privacy Policy. So let me copy this thing, and the page title, About Us, paste. Alright, let's preview this page. Okay, now it's looking fine, and we have About Us page. So everything is fine, just click Publish. And yep, we have a About Us page here. If I click About Us page, let's create one more page, which is our Privacy Policy. Okay. Let me preview the changes and see how it is looking. Okay, everything is fine. The gap here is more than. Alright. Now publish. Okay, so we have a static page like About Us page, yeah, and a Privacy Policy page. Okay, now we need one more page, which is Contact Us, but we will create it later through a plugin, through a plugin, and the plugin name is Contact Form 7, I think. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.